How to buy meme coins on MarginX using the FX wallet. Start by heading to the MarginX Swap page. Once there, look for the option to connect your wallet. A pop-up window will appear, giving you several connection choices. Select Wallet Connect. You'll see a QR code pop up next. Open your FX wallet on your mobile device. Make sure you're in the FX Core Wallet section. Find the QR code scanner within your wallet and scan the QR code displayed on the MarginX Wallet Connect page. Authorize your wallet to interact with MarginX. With your wallet connected, you're all set to swap tokens on MarginX. Remember, you'll need some FX tokens in your wallet to start trading. Go to the Swap section. Here, select FX as your base token, Token A, and then choose the token you wish to buy, Token B, from the list provided, including various meme coins. If you're looking for a specific token, you can also use the dashboard on MarginX to search for it. MarginX lists hundreds of meme coins and other tokens. Find and select the one you're interested in, such as the AI Meow token. Once selected, it will automatically be set as Token B. You can adjust the swap positions if needed. Enter the amount of FX you want to swap for the chosen meme coin. The interface will show you the current USD value and the amount of the meme coin you'll receive based on the latest market prices. Click on Swap, and then approve the transaction directly in your FX wallet. Once the transaction is successfully completed, the meme tokens will appear in your FX wallet. If the new tokens don't automatically show up in your FX wallet, you may need to add them manually. Go back to the MarginX dashboard, search for your purchased meme token, and find its contract address. Copy this address, then navigate to the Add Token section in your FX wallet, selecting FX Core as the chain. Paste the contract address, and the token should now appear in your wallet, along with its value. Congratulations, you've now successfully purchased meme coins using your FX wallet on MarginX. Stay tuned for our next tutorial where we'll explore how to provide liquidity on MarginX, further expanding your crypto journey.